reasons changing your oil is the most zen car experience. It's easy to find your center. With over 200 locations nationwide, a Shell Helix Oil Change Plus Center is never too far away. You can exercise mindfulness. Observe your breath, mind, and car as it's being attended to via service stations you can actually see. Peace of mind is achievable. Use the Wi-Fi and get caught up on the latest news. Do whatever you want in Shell Helix Oil Change Plus's peaceful, air-conditioned customer lounges. Out with the bad, in with the good. Expertly trained mechanics allow you to rest easy as they give your car the care it deserves. Only top quality lubricants are used in Shell Helix Oil Change Plus centers, ensuring engine cleanliness. Sit back and meditate. Breathe in, breathe out. Take a load off and experience Zen by getting your oil changed.